Design and implementation of 4-bit binary adder subtractor using IC 7483. These are the components required: IC 7483, IC 7486 and IC 7404. A binary adder subtractor is one which is capable of both addition and subtraction of binary numbers in one circuit itself. The operation being performed depends upon the binary value the control signal holds. The circuit consists of 4 full adders since we are performing operation on 4-bit numbers. There is a control line K that holds the binary value of either 0 or 1, which determines that the operation being carried out is addition or subtraction. The input A is directly fed into the full adder. The input B is XORed along with the selection line M and then fed into the full adder. The two outputs produced are sum and difference. When M is equal to 0, the operation being performed on the 4-bit numbers is addition, and when M is equal to 1, the operation being performed is subtraction. This is the logic diagram of adder subtractor. So depending upon the selection of M, the operation will be determined. And this is the pin diagram of IC 7483. So after connecting the circuit as per the logic diagram, we will be verifying the data table.
Hello students, now let us see the implementation of 4-bit adder and subtractor circuit. So in this circuit we are using IC 7483, which is a 4-bit adder. So in a single circuit we have combined both adder as well as subtractor. So this is done with the help of the mode input. So this is my mode input. When this is 0, my circuit will act as an adder, and when this is set to 1, the circuit will act as a subtractor. So now let us check the truth table. Before that, the circuit connections are given as per the logic diagram. The first IC is my IC 7486, which is an XOR gate, and the next one is IC 7483, which is a 4-bit adder. Now the inputs, we have two 4-bit binary inputs. So this is my A4, A3, A2 and A1, and this is B4, B3, B2 and B1. And these are my outputs. This is my carry, and these are the outputs: S4, S3, S2 and S1 in case of addition, and difference D4, D3, D2 and D1 in case of subtraction. So now let's verify the truth table. The mode input is given as 0. So now when it is given as 0, my circuit acts as an adder. So let's check for the input: 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. For this, my output will be, there is no carry, and the sum will be 1, 0, 1, 0. Now for the same set of inputs, let's check for subtractor. So I am changing the mode bit to 1. So now my circuit is acting as a subtractor. For the same set of inputs, my output will be, I'll be getting carry, the borrow bit will be 1, and the differences will be 0, 1, 1, 0. Now since we are giving the XOR gate, the second set of inputs, that is B4, B3, B2 and B1 are given as input to an XOR gate, and the output of the XOR gate is given as input to IC 7483, that is the 4-bit adder. So what my XOR gate will do is, it gives the 2's complement of the set of input bits, that is B4, B3, B2 and B1 will be 2's complemented, and that value will be added along with A4, A3, A2 and A1. So now let's check for another set of inputs: 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. So for this set of input, my subtractor output will be, the borrow bit is 1 and the differences are 0. The output, you can see, it is 0. When I change the mode to 0, now my circuit is an adder. For the same set of inputs, I am getting the output as carry is 1 and the sum is again 0. So similar way, we can check for the rest of any set of 4-bit inputs and we can verify the sum as well as the difference. Thank you.